Hello. Hello, everyone. Now, I am recording this on my new laptop that I bought with the profits that I made thus far. All right. So, what are we going to talk about? It's been a while, guys. So, I would like to talk about a few things, or maybe one thing. I don't know. Stick around to find out. It's going to be something saucy, to say the least, right? So, what you're seeing over here is you can see that we have these gold cells that I called today being 27th of May 2026. So this is a trade that I have sent on the TradeEasy Discord group. Okay, so it is free for all TradeEasy users, and the call to action is going to happen right now. So TradeEasy is running a lifetime membership. You join now, don't pay anything ever again. What do you get out of this? Well, I'll tell you what you're going to get out of this. You know what? Do I show you? No, I won't show you just now. Maybe another video, right? You got to join to find out. Well, TradeEasy is just a fundamental analysis tool. It's essentially a full AI control tower for trading. Yeah, it'll give you the fundamentals done for you. You know how you could have an opinion on fundamentals. I can have an opinion on fundamentals, right? I could be wrong, you could be right, or you could be right, I could be wrong. But with TradeEasy, you and I are both right. TradeEasy provides you that edge to your trading strategy that makes you right, I'd say 90% of the time. Maybe, okay? But for me, I'm right almost every day. It is what it is, man. Except on NASDAQ. NASDAQ is just fucking just... I can't help it, I can't help it. But we did call for NASDAQ sells, which you guys saw in the public group anyway. And boom, shakalaka, there we go. All right, I called it, man. I called it because I trade with the market makers. You don't know that. Well, the public group people do. The Discord knows. I trade with. I'm literally the market maker, man. Minus the millions of dollars. If you want to give me some money so I can run this $1 billion hedge fund, send it over. All right. Okay. Anyways, jokes aside, right? I do trade with the market makers. Okay, I'm not joking about that. That's why my lines are very specific. And if you looked at the Bitcoin sell that I put in the public group and the Discord private group, bro, it's like, fuck. Want to see? Look. Fuck. Proof is in the pudding, man. I'm eating a lot of pudding. Okay, so in today's video, having said all of that bullshit, which wasn't bullshit by the way, I'm going to show you guys how you could have caught this gold sell. Okay, I'm going to show you how you could have caught this gold sell. First of all, what I want you to understand is that all of my red lines over here, they are gamma exposure levels. We call it GEX. Okay, so we call it GEX. So GEX is like so. Now, what is GEX? What is gamma? So this is an options trading sort of a concept where the dealers or the market makers, they have to always hedge their positions, right? So if you are above a certain threshold, which is called a gamma flip level. So when you are at the gamma flip level can be two things, right? So the gamma flip level is essentially going to be a positive gamma or a negative gamma. What does that mean? It means that if you are above the gamma flip, you are in a positive gamma regime. If you are below the gamma flip, you are in a negative gamma regime, right? So right now on gold, we are in a negative gamma regime. How and why? Well, this mark here, this 4,500 mark over here, that is the gamma flip. So when we traded below the gamma flip and had a bearish profile, meaning when we traded below the Asian low and we were in this gamma flip level, it means that we from this point onwards, we are in a negative gamma regime. So a negative gamma regime means every rally that's going to happen, market makers are going to sell against it, causing price to go down, making it very easy for price to go down. So the low resistance liquidity path or the low resistance liquidity run is going to happen to the downside, which is over here, which I called it. I sent it to the public group. If you took it, you did not. If you took it, good. If you did not take it, then RIP, BIJ, you suck. Why are you in the public group? Literally. Okay. So having said that, this is just a demo position that I put on because I just came home after buying this new laptop. Here, demo position, boom, boom, boom. Let's see if it hits. Now, price, if you don't know it by now, if you are living under a rock, if you have not been following my public Telegram channel, price goes from gamma level to gamma level. And that was like a mind-blowing moment for me, right? Super mind-blowing moment. If you guys were in the public channel, you saw that I made $20,000 or I think $17,000 or $20,000 in 1 week just by flipping it from $500 multiple times. That's because I was following these gamma levels just to see exactly what the hell was that about. And my goodness gracious me, look at this. The moment price hits these gamma levels, man, you know that's when the market makers are going to be like, haha, fuck you, I'm going to take price the other way. Or when it breaks, it's institutions telling the market makers and dealers, haha, fuck you, we're going to take it the other way. That's how gamma levels actually work. Understand that. I don't expect you to get it. Only my one-on-ones and only people who watch this video, they're going to go and do the research and they're going to actually make something out of it. They will get it. But if you have made it this far, congratulations, you're going to be one of the few that actually went and did something. But if you have made it this far, but just 2 or 3 seconds ago, maybe 10 seconds ago, you were thinking about, fuck this guy, I'm going to stop watching this video. Well, motherfucker, you're not going to get anywhere. It is what it is. So, sorry for swearing. If you're my dad and you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is how I am with YouTube only. Okay, so let's get into why exactly I took this trade now, and then you guys can take it, you can run with it. So let's take a look here. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to keep the one down there because I need to see it. Okay, now I sent this setup on the Discord channel in the Discord group. If you don't want to believe me, here you go. I'll show you. There we go. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. There we go. Right. So I sent this. Boom shakalaka. And I sent a couple of other things as well. And you can see how it went very, very perfectly. All right. Now, if you don't believe about the NASDAQ sell as well, look over here. NASDAQ, I still want to see an insane crash. I'm waiting for TradeEasy to support it. And once TradeEasy did support it, boom, that was the easiest sell ever. Don't believe me? I can show you. You can see over here. What do we see here? NASDAQ bearish. Fundamentals match, technicals match. Boom. Okie dokie. Now, coming back over here. Let's try to understand how you could have taken this sell. Now, I'm not going to go through all the other one-on-one stuff because you don't deserve it. And if you want to join the one-on-one, link is down in the description below. You can send me a message on Telegram, or you can go to this link, fill up the application and have a phone call with me, and we can see if we're a good fit or not. Anyways, now price broke down. Okay, we traded below the Asian low. Now, when we trade below the Asian low, what does that mean? It means that the profile is bearish for now. It could be a seek and destroy. We don't know until it happens. Okay, or if there's like a higher time frame POI or key level. Now, when price broke down, right, what we can see is it retraced. Now it retraces, it has to retrace into a what? Value area, which is this. Okay, we have multiple value areas, but this is the most important one that we're looking at. Now, how do you judge if price is going to reverse or not? You want price to move a bit. Now, yes, I can go for a zero drawdown, maybe some drawdown entry that will give me a high risk to reward. But what you can do is, instead of all of that jazz, you can take the entire range from here to here. That's ICT's graded price swing. This fat guy called Ali Khan or someone, he apparently pretended that he's the one who made this shit, but no, I've been teaching this since 2019, which admittedly, I learned from ICT. I'm saying it, man. I'm saying it. Whatever I learned from ICT, I'm fucking saying it. Not like I created this shit. No. Okay. But my stuff I created, okay? So, now, price came down. What's this? This is what I define to be a fair value gap, right? Now, I want to see price inverted. Now, why am I interested in a gap and not an order block or an extreme? Well, it's because price came and tapped the 50% and then inverted. And we know that the predominant regime is bearish. Number one, from the gamma exposure, price being below the gamma flip, price having a bearish profile for the day, and price breaking down. So when price closes, I'm going to be entering. And now I have a special one-on-one entry technique, but forget that for a second. You would keep your stop loss above the swing high that formed around the gap, the inversion there, or keep it at the structural high itself. Okay, something like this. Now, where would your take profit be? Your take profit will be at the next gamma support level. Now, this is where price is going to be gravitating towards, right? So that means you are looking at price to come, boom, here. I'll show you one more example on Bitcoin. Now, for this particular example that I'm going to talk about, on Bitcoin. I'm gonna show it to you. I freaking took $100 to 1,700, okay, dollars, following Bitcoin's sell-off. And I knew it was going to be a buy. So I bottom ticked that shit such that if it went and hit 78,000, I would be at, I think, almost $15,000 profit, like meaning $100 to $15,000 flip. So what I did was, it was a weekend, price wasn't moving that much. I thought maybe I was doing something wrong, but this dumb fuck over here, this one, he decided to go to TikTok and look at what all the other people are doing. And I saw that all these quarterly theory guys, they were like, Bitcoin is a sell. It's a manipulation. It's a SSSMT. Super sexy sucking fucking SMT. Third stage, fourth stage, SMT. And then all of a sudden, the shit just fucking went flying. And I'm like, fuck me. I just blew up my entire flip because I saw a lot of people doing the same thing. TradeEasy was telling me that I should buy. And I was in a bottom tick buy. I fucking bought a lot of that. I went full margin. And then I closed. And then I went sells. Took sells. And then I fucked it up. That means you know who you should be following. Because quarterly theory and all these theories that involve time division and everything. And SMT, it came from me. Me! Keep that in mind. You want to fight me on this? Fucking fight me, bro. I have proof. Okay, anyways. So, that's the sell. Okay. Now, we didn't quite get to 4,400 because that's the next gamma level. So, if you just mark out 4,400 properly over here, yeah, I didn't hit. So, then I'm looking at this. So, now, over here, what justifies this entry, right? Same thing. Price went into the value area. I'm going to take the same one. Grade the price swing. It's the easiest way to find an entry, man. Price came in, just barely tapped the 50%, find the fair value gap, boom. Done. And that's the way. So that is the exact flow that I took today. Okay. Now let me show you this Bitcoin thing I was talking about. So on Bitcoin, like I said, we call this entire sell. I called it in the group yesterday and also the day before. Right. So put things into perspective, right? I was in a sell here. That's my $100 flip. Took it all the way to 1,900. And I bought over here. Stop loss here. Take profit here. What happened, man? You know what this dumb fuck did, right? This dumb fuck that you're looking at, me, you know what happened? Went all the way up. And then I go to TikTok. I close it. I sell, poof, you can see the gap over here, right? I sell, poof, account blown. And yesterday, full. No point crying over spilt milk, I can do it all over again, no problem. But this is to show you the power of gamma levels, right? From all the way here, I was telling price is going to go to 75K, it went. Then I said it's going to go to 78K, it went. Then I said it'll go to 75, then I said it'll go to 75K again, it went. Now what? Now, if the entire flip happens, meaning when if the entire weekly profile changes, price is going to go 72, then 70. And then by the end of the year, we'll go to 48 or 49. All right. That is what's going to happen. Now, to keep to the theme of this video, that's the sell. So let me talk to you guys about how this sell happened yesterday using the same framework that I'm talking to you guys about. Well, what you can see is this, right? So price went higher, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take either this one or the overall swing low, which is here. Okay. Now, price came and hit the 50% and then hit the 75%. Now, when we hit the 75% of a graded price swing, it's either reverse or it's either, okay, I'm going to soon hit a gap and I'm going to dump like crazy. In this case, because the fundamentals said we're bearish on TradeEasy, all the data suggested that we're bearish, objective data said that we're bearish. The profile flip, the market regime flip, price hit the 78K point and price was dropping like crazy, which told us that the next logical point is 75. That's why we took this trade. Why? Again, gap, right? We're looking for a gap. So what was the gap? See this here? Up close, down close. You know, my fair value gap definition is green, green, red, or red, green, green. Either side should have one opposing delivery candle. That's your inversion. So we came, inverted it, went, here's my one-on-one entry criteria thingamajig, and then boom, we just took that sell. And I sent it. Now don't pretend like I did not send it to you guys. I sent this damn thing to the public group. Okay, I sent it. If you don't believe me, it's on you. Okay, if you don't believe me, it's on fucking you, boys. All right, let me show you just in case you don't believe me. Here you go. While this was happening, even before that gap formed, if you can't see because of piracy issues or with Telegram, I'm sorry. All right, so that's that. Okay, now if you are interested, I am running my one-on-one mentorship program, meaning I am running it, I have been running it. If you are interested, I have 4 spots remaining. If you want to be as goated as me, if you want to be able to do flips yourself, if you want to be able to pass your prop firm challenges, if you want to reduce the time that you waste on education, meaning watching YouTube and all that shit and trial and error, this is where you should be. My best student took $100,000 worth of prop firm payouts in 4 days. That's how goated he was. And this was before these fucking prop firms put all these bullshit ass rules. So back in the day, when prop firms were very, very early, you could have done anything. You could have made any amount of money. Keep that in mind. So that means with the knowledge that I'm going to be giving you, success is just around the corner, man. It's like right there. All right, so with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Someone wanted me to do a Wyckoff theory video, so maybe I'll do that. Maybe you Wyckoff guys can have some fun on that video. To be honest, I forgot about Wyckoff, but maybe I'll just read up on it and do a quick refresher so I can refresh myself and refresh your brain. So if you are interested in the one-on-one, the application link is down in the description below. Go to the landing page, answer the questions, and book the call. All right, so with that said, I see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Get TradeEasy lifetime membership. Might as well, right? Because if you're going to be making trades like this and getting gamma exposure levels, trading like the market makers, it's a fucking no-brainer. All right, peace.